For the opt-ins, actually chose to do the options to build them so that this is a regular text module up here, and then this is the opt-in module. Opt-in module does have a description area that goes with it, but I'm choosing to hide that just to be consistent so that you have a little more option with your text here. So I'm actually hiding the newsletter description area and opting to choose opting to choose a text module instead on all of these, because you can fade them in separately, you can put them where you want. I just prefer them. So here we're doing again the minimum height 400 on tablet and 300 on mobile for this image here. And for more explanation on that, refer to the general section video. I go over this technique. The only thing we're doing in opt-in 1 is we're just turning off some padding left because this guy wasn't all the way lined up here, this opt-in. And that's it. Everything else is just straight up what you would expect. Here we had some fun on that guy. So that's the opt-ins for you.